English conversation practice in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Stay tuned, guys.
Introduce your family members.
This is my family, my wife and 2 children.
They are very nice.
My son is 7, my daughter is 4.
Very cute family.
Let me show you a photo of my family.
Oh, they're lovely. How old are your children now?
My son just turned 7 and my daughter is 4.
What a beautiful family you have.
This is my family, my wife and our 2 little ones. Yeah.
They're adorable. How old are they?
The boy's 7 and the girl's 4.
You've got a great looking family.
Tell me about your best friend.
Tell me about your best friend.
His name is John. He grew up together.
What does he like to do?
He likes playing basketball and video games.
So tell me about your best friend.
His name is John. We've known each other since we were kids.
That's great. What's he into?
He's really into basketball and gaming.
Tell me about your best friend.
His name's John. We've been friends since grade school.
Nice. What's he like?
Super chill, loves basketball and gaming, just like me.
Do you look like your father or your mother?
Do you look like your father or mother?
People say I look like my mother.
Do you have her eyes?
Yes, and her smile too. Who do you take after more, your father or my mother?
Most people say I resemble my mother.
Is it the eyes or the smile?
Both, actually. I have her eyes and my smile.
Do you look more like your dad or your mom?
Definitely my mom, according to everyone.
The eyes?
Yeah, and the smile.
It's uncanny.
Apparently.
How many siblings do you have?
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
Are you the oldest?
Yes, I am the oldest.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
Are you the oldest child?
I am. I'm the oldest of 3.
Any siblings?
Yeah, a brother and a sister.
You the oldest?
Yep, I'm the oldest of 3.
What do you usually do with your family on weekends?
What do you do with your family on weekends?
We usually watch movies together.
That sounds fun. Do you eat popcorn?
Yes, we always eat popcorn.
So what's your typical weekend routine with the family?
We usually have a movie night on Saturdays.
Nice. Do you make snacks?
Yeah, popcorn is a must.
What do you guys do as a family on weekends?
We're pretty consistent. Saturday is movie night.
Classic. Popcorn involved?
Always. Can't have a movie without it.
Tell me about your uncle or aunt.
Tell me about your aunt.
My aunt is very kind. She lives in Florida.
Does she visit often?
She comes twice a year.
Yeah. You mentioned your aunt earlier. Tell me about her.
She's the sweetest person. She lives in Florida now.
Does she come to visit?
Yeah, she flies up about twice a year.
So tell me about your aunt.
She's great. Super kind. Lives in Florida.
She visit much?
Couple times a year. Always brings the good snacks.
Do you have a pet? Tell me about it.
Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. His name is Milo. What color is he? He is orange and white.
Do you have any pets at home?
I do. I have a cat named Milo.
That's cute. What does he look like?
He's orange and white, a typical tabby.
Got any pets? Yeah, a cat. His name's Milo.
Nice. What's he look like?
Orange and white. Total goofball, honestly.
Who's the person you admire most in your family?
Who do you admire most in your family?
I admire my grandfather the most.
Why do you admire him?
He is very strong and kind.
Who's the person you look up to most in your family?
Definitely my grandfather. He's my biggest inspiration.
What makes him so special to you?
His strength and kindness. He's always been there for everyone.
Who's your biggest hero in the family?
My grandfather, without a doubt. Yeah.
What is it about him?
His quiet strength, his kindness. He's just solid.
How often do you meet your grandparents?
How often do you meet your grandparents?
I meet them every Sunday.
Do you eat lunch together?
Yes, we always have lunch together. How often do you get to see your grandparents?
Pretty much every Sunday. It's our tradition.
That's nice. Do you do anything special?
We always have a big family lunch together.
How often do you see your grandparents?
Every Sunday, like clockwork.
That's sweet. What do you guys do?
Just hang out, have lunch. It's our thing.
Do you prefer to have an older or younger sibling?
Do you want an older or younger sibling?
I want an older brother.
Why do you want an older brother?
He can protect me.
If you could choose, would you rather have an older or younger sibling?
I'd definitely want an older brother.
Why an older brother?
Someone to look out for me. Older or younger sibling, which would you pick?
Older brother, hands down.
What's the appeal?
Built-in protector, someone who's got your back.